Hello, this is Robert Malikian. I'm continuing to installation of Oracle RAC 10G on Linux using VMware. Last session, I think I missed out one of the steps. I didn't check the configuration for our login RShare. So let's do that first before we start continuing with the rest of this tutorial. These were the lines I missed to execute. Seems oh dear. Is it up to date? I hope this is not going to take a long time. We'll see how quickly it rolls. If it's going to, oh yeah, it's going to take a long time for it to bring these headers down. I'll wait for this to finish and I'll come back and continue because this is going to take a good 10-15 minutes, if not longer. Okay, I'll speak to you once this install is over. Okay, I'm back, and the install took a little bit longer than I anticipated. I had to go out yesterday. Anyway, we are here and we continue. I think, let me get back in here. It did install Share, and it had to do a few retries. I think we need to install the server as well. And then we'll test again a requirement. But even if you miss that, it's not a big deal because later on Oracle has got a bash program, shell script that checks. And unless you get that, this time we are rolling. So let's go forward. And we have installed tools. We need to create disks to be able to use them for ASM. Usually this would be a good place to do actually a backup of this VMware server. If something happens, you can get back to the same step. But what I will do, I will shut down the server and create the disks, and then we'll come back and continue from there. We'll wait so go down before we're adding extra hardware. For this, actually I could prepare. We need to have another directory created here. A shared directory, or shared would be better. Okay, let's create the first hard disk. We're going to create all of them 10 GB, and they need to be independent. We should put on SCSI 1 starting from device 1. This is pretty important. We need to have it in share. We call the first one CR. We need it to be in here. Routing disk should be name 10 GB. Mode should be persist. SCSI 1 and hard disk 2. Finish. Let's see if we can create a few more. I need 3 more. 10. Let's call it SM1. Persist. SCSI 1. Device 3. Next one. It's gonna be VSM2. Not if you say the name really matters, but just to be consistent with the Oracle base documentation that we are following. So that one is on device 4. Trying to be too fast. And the last disk, we want to be 10 gig. ESM3. The reason we have them all 10 gig or equal size for the routing disk to be right. I will explain that a little bit later on. I think this is a good place to stop. I'll come back on next session and continue from here. This is Robert Malikian installing Oracle RAC 10G on VMware using CentOS 4. See you on next session. Bye.